In this lesson, we are going to learn the phonetic sound of the letter O. O is written like this. Start at the top, curve left, and continue to draw an oval or a circle. The small letter O is also written the same way but smaller. Let's see that again. A capital O, a small letter O. Let's learn the phonetic sound of O. O makes the sound O. O. O, as in orange. The fruit orange is orange in color. O, as in octopus. The octopus has 8 arms. O, as in ostrich. Ostriches are the world's largest birds. However, they cannot fly. O, as in off. Switch the lights off. O, as in orchids. Orchids are beautiful. Let's look at all the words one more time. O, orange. O, octopus. O, off. O, ostrich. O, orchids. Awesome!